Online earning. Earning money till now has usually been related and restricted to the usual offline route. With the internet taking over a huge part of daily life, more and more people are looking for ways to make money online to increase their financial income with multiple income streams. You should be more considerate of the platform you choose. While there may be many ways to make money online, some of these might be fake, and you cannot expect to earn a huge amount in a short period of time when using online earning platforms. With the recent situation involving people having more time at home and fewer working hours for most, people might have some free time on their hands. Let's discuss a few online platforms that can help you earn money online. Number 1. Freelancing. Freelancing has always been a popular way to earn money online, and the internet has numerous options. There are several websites offering freelancing jobs to people with different skills. All you have to do is to create an account, search through the listing or job opportunities, and apply for the job that suits you. Some websites may even ask you to create a personal job listing with the details of what skills you have to offer, so that an interested client can contact you directly. Fiverr.com, Upwork.com, Freelancer, and PeoplePerHour.com are some websites that provide a platform for a freelance job. You can earn as much as you want with as much time as you can invest. You will be paid once you successfully complete the given job and it has been approved by your client. This also means revising the work several times unless the requirements of your clients are met. Some platforms may ask you to set up a PayPal account, as most clients feel PayPal is the safest service to make payments through. Starting your own website. There are enough resources available online to help you put together a website, which includes choosing the domain, templates, layout, and the overall design for the site. Once you're ready to service the visitors with relevant content, you may sign up for Google AdSense, and when these ads appear on your website and get clicked on by a visitor, you make money. The more traffic you get on the website, the more money you make. Affiliate marketing. Once your website is up and running smoothly, you can opt to affiliate market by allowing businesses to insert web links onto your website. This is essentially a partnership. When your visitors buy products or services by clicking on these links, you make money from it. Surveys, searches, and reviews. There are many websites offering money to answer questions and take online surveys, carry out online searches, and write reviews on products. To get the money, one needs to disclose certain information to them, including your banking details. This is why you should be very careful with this method. Some of them may require you to register with them before working on projects. The most important thing to watch out for in these projects is to stay away from websites offering compensation that appears to be too good to be true. Be careful while evaluating the reputation of the website, as many of them could be a scam. Most sites promote businesses showing copies of check payments which may have been given to the middlemen only. We hope this video helps with starting your online career. Remember to always surf and earn safely.